Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Map API in WordPress. This method is ideal for local businesses that want to display their location clearly on their site. If you'd like to follow along and try Divi at a discounted price, you can find a link in the description. Begin by opening the page where you want the map to appear and click on Edit with Divi to open the visual builder. Once the builder loads, add a new section and insert a row. Using a single column row is recommended for maps so they have enough space to display properly. Next, click the plus icon inside the row and search for the map module. Add the module to your layout and you'll see a default placeholder map appear. To connect the map to your own location, you need to link Google Maps with Divi. Open the module settings and navigate to the Content tab. There, you'll find the field for adding a Google API key. If you already have an API key, simply paste it into the field. If not, you can create one for free through the Google Cloud Platform. After entering the key, the map will load correctly and become fully functional. You can now add your business locations to the map. Click on the option to add a new PIN and enter the address along with a title and description. Divi will automatically place a marker on the map based on the address you provide. If your business has multiple locations, such as several offices or store branches, you can add additional pins to display them all. To adjust the appearance of the map, switch to the Design tab. Here you can change the map height, add borders, or apply rounded corners. You may also choose to place the map inside a styled section with background colors or include text above it, such as your business address or opening hours. Once you're satisfied with the setup and design, click the green checkmark to save the module. Save the page and exit the builder. After refreshing the page, you'll see the live Google map with your location clearly pinned for visitors. This is a straightforward and effective way to help people find your business while adding trust and professionalism to your website using Divi's Google Maps module. If you're interested in trying Divi at a great price, don't forget to check the link in the description.